I'm going to do this short video to show you how to take your tabbed hop link ad that we built and put it into a web page. So the first thing we would do, we're in Dreamweaver. You don't have to use Dreamweaver for this. You can use a program called nvu.com. It's a free web editor, but you're going to need some type of web editor, or you're going to need someone else to do it for you. So we're just going to create a new page. This is just going to be a basic HTML page. Just click on create. Okay, now we have our code up here and then our actual website page down here. We're just going to center this. Now we're going to pull up our code for our tabbed box that we made, which is the second one here. So we're just going to highlight all this and then push copy. Now, as you can see in the code here, that you can alter your affiliate ID, you can alter the size of the font, the color of your tabbed ad, your titles. You don't have to necessarily go back into ClickBank and redo the whole thing. If you're somewhat familiar with how to do small edits with JavaScript and with HTML, then you can do this basic editing right here. You can see where you have all your keywords set up and all the colors of your tabs and your boxes and all that stuff, but it's not too difficult if you have just a little bit of experience doing it. But I just wanted to tell you that you can do that as opposed to going back into ClickBank and creating an entirely new ad. But anyway, so what we'll do is we'll just click here, and you can see right here where it says Align Center. Right here we just want to put our cursor directly over that, right click, and then push paste, and then refresh it. Now what we'll have to do is save our file here so we can view it in either Firefox or Internet Explorer. Now you can get a 30-day trial of Dreamweaver for free. And I think to buy the software it's probably around $300 or $400. Okay, so let's just view this in Internet Explorer. We'll save the changes. Just save it as sample. Now we'll just allow this content to go through, and then it should show the ad block, the tabbed ad block that we created. Okay, there it is. So what you want to do is, after you've created this, you just want to go through and make sure that it's going through the tabs right, and that when you click on that it's bringing up a new window, because we did choose a new window so that way your visitor stays on your content instead of having to leave your content. So now anything they click within this tab is going to go to an affiliate program on ClickBank, and then you're going to get paid for it. And then this right here would be, this tab would be a good place on your web page for this just to be at the top, and then maybe your articles underneath here, or whatever content that you have on your website. So hope you liked the video, and that's how you paste the tabbed ad block into your HTML page. Okay, in this video I want to show you how to take your ClickBank hop link ad that you made and paste it in a web page. Now I'm going to be using Dreamweaver for this example, but you don't have to use Dreamweaver. You can also use a free editor called nvu.com. That's nvu.com. And like I said, it's free. You don't have to pay anything for it. But for this example, we have Dreamweaver open, so that's what we're going to use. And you just click New. You would just use a basic page, and then you have your actual code up here, and then you have the website down here. Now I just want to paste this in to show you exactly what it's like to put this on your web page. You might have an article in here or something like that, and then you can paste it in with the article as well. But we're just going to highlight the first hop link ad that we created, which is just a basic link. Now I want to show you here, you can change these things yourself. If you decide that you wanted to alter something on the hop link ad, you don't necessarily have to go back into ClickBank and do everything all over again. You can, as you can see, you can edit if it aligns to the left, middle, or right. You can also edit your ClickBank ID, your tracking ID here. the type of font, the size of the font, the colors of your ad. Now you have to be a little familiar with how to do this, but it's not that difficult. For instance, this color is black. If you just wanted to highlight this right here, that color, and change the numbers, if you're familiar with the color scale, then you could do that. But anyway, just something I wanted to show you, that you could make some minor changes in the code where you don't have to actually go back into the hop link builder and build a brand new hop link ad. Okay, so we've centered this, and right here I'm just gonna put my mouse over where it says center, and I'm gonna right click on that. I'm just gonna paste. Now as you can see, the code here that we just typed in, or that just pasted in. Now we just want to click refresh, and usually you'll have to view this in Internet Explorer or Firefox to see what the changes are. So we'll just save this document. Just put sample. We'll save it to the desktop. Now it'll pull this up. What we'll do is just open this up, and it should show the actual ad block that we created. There it is. So it's pretty simple. Like I say, you may have an article that you already have written it, and you can paste that anywhere on that article that you want, to the right of the article, to the left of the article. You can make a space for the article and paste it in the middle, have it blend in with it, whatever. But that was just a quick video on showing you how to take your ClickBank hop link ad and paste it into a web page.